Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to transfer money from Huobi to a bank account. First, you need to convert your cryptocurrency into a supported fiat currency on Huobi. Navigate to the spot trading section and select the crypto asset you wish to sell. Choose a fiat currency like USD or EUR, then place a sell order. You can opt for a market order for immediate execution or a limit order to set a specific price. Once confirmed, your crypto will be converted to fiat. Next, let's initiate the withdrawal. From your Huobi dashboard, locate your wallet or assets section. Find the fiat currency you just obtained, for example, US dollars or euros, and click on the Withdraw button. You will then be prompted to select your withdrawal method. Choose Bank Transfer to send the funds directly to your bank account. Carefully input the exact amount you wish to withdraw, keeping any minimum withdrawal limits in mind. Now it's time to provide your bank account information. You'll need to accurately enter your bank's name, your account number, and the correct SWIFT or BIC code. Ensure your full name, as registered with your bank, is also provided. This step is crucial for a successful transfer, so take a moment to double-check every single detail for accuracy. Once you are confident all information is correct, confirm your withdrawal request. After confirming your withdrawal, Huobi will begin processing the request. This typically takes between 1 and 3 business days, depending on your bank and region. Keep an eye on your bank account statements for the incoming funds. You can also track the status of your withdrawal in your Huobi transaction history. If the funds haven't arrived after the expected period, don't hesitate to reach out to Huobi's customer support for assistance.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.